Welcome to Taste of Veggie. Let's make an easy, lazy pasta meal with the Trader Joe's ingredients. Let's start the timer first. In a pasta pan, I'm going to add hot water and cook my pasta first according to the directions. So I'm adding lentil pastas here. You can add any pasta. Add salt and let it boil. While the pasta is cooking, let's saute our veggies. Add a bit of extra virgin olive oil. You can add fresh chopped garlic. Now I am using the crushed garlic from Trader Joe's. I'm going to add 4 cubes here. One chopped zucchini. Add a bit of salt and saute it a little longer. If it's splattered too much, close it with a lid and let it cook for a minute. You can add any vegetable to this pasta, spinach, kale, any of your choices. I'm adding broccoli here. Let's cover it for some more time and let it cook. Now take the lid. Let's mix it one more time. I'm going to add a spoon of crunchy chili onion. It's been about 10 minutes. My pasta is ready. Vegetables are thoroughly cooked. Now let's add the pasta. I'm going to add the top layer of the crunchy chili onion hummus. I'm going to scrape from the top. Add all the chili goodness into this pasta. I'm going to add the pasta water, about half a cup in here, and mix it together. It's a gluten-free lentil pasta, so it's a very high in protein. Let's do a taste check. It needs a little bit of salt, so I'm going to add a pinch of salt and mix it. Now I am topping it off with the fresh chopped parsley. You can add cheese if you like. Our high protein pasta meal is ready in 15 minutes. Our pasta is ready to serve. Hope you enjoy the meal. Thank you.